In the intricate world of transportation, where every journey begins and ends on the shoulders of tires, there exists a transformative process that breathes new life into the worn-out rubber companions. Today, let's embark on a fascinating exploration into the heart of tire retreading, a process that not only rejuvenates tires, but also unveils the alchemy behind their revival. Tires play a vital role by ensuring a smooth grip and maintaining contact between your vehicle and the road, preventing slips and accidents. Over time, though, tires can lose efficiency due to wear and tear caused by friction with the road. Enter tire retreading, a cost-effective solution to breathe new life into worn-out tires. When the tire threads wear down from constant movement, retreading steps in to extend their usability without burning a hole in your wallet. Instead of shelling out for brand-new tires, you can opt for this process. Tire retreading involves rejuvenating the worn-out tire threads, restoring their grip and performance. It's a practical approach to enhance safety and longevity for your vehicle, especially as it ages. By addressing the wear and tear issue, retreading helps maintain the crucial connection between your vehicle and the road. In a nutshell, when your tires start showing signs of wear, consider the economical and eco-friendly option of tire retreading to keep your wheels rolling smoothly. Tire retreading is a process that revitalizes worn-out tires, giving them a new lease on life. Understanding why retreading is necessary begins with recognizing that as tires wear, their treads become shallower. Tread depth is crucial for safe driving on wet and dirty roads, making retreading a valuable solution to extend tire life. The process involves reshaping the tire, providing it with a new grippier surface by adding fresh rubber to the tread. This not only enhances ride quality, but also allows for the reuse of old tires. It's important to clarify that not all tires are suitable for retreading, only those that have performed well and have minimal damage. Some tires may be beyond repair and retreading won't bring them back to optimal condition. A notable advantage of tire retreading is cost savings. If you have a damaged tire, opting for retreading instead of purchasing a new one can be a more economical choice. Many times, a trip to a nearby retreading center can salvage your tire and save you money. It's a practical and cost-effective way to keep your wheels rolling smoothly. Tire retreading, a transformative process breathing new life into weary tires, operates through two primary methods. Cold retreading. Despite its misleading name, cold retreading involves the application of heat. Tires undergo heating above 100 degrees Celsius, bypassing the use of molds due to their prohibitive cost. Instead, tire liners step in to play a pivotal role. Hot retreading. Hot retreading takes a mold-centric approach, subjecting tires to temperatures exceeding 150 degrees Celsius. This method becomes the preferred choice when the goal is to attain the precise shape of the tire. Elevating tire temperatures significantly, hot retreading effectively alters the tire threads and shape. The intricate dance of tire retreading. Tire inspection. The journey begins with a critical examination. Not every damaged tire qualifies for retreading. Laser digital shearography steps in, employing lasers to scan tires meticulously. This allows mechanics to identify damages, especially in intricate areas that manual inspections might miss. Tire buffing. Following the scrutiny, the process moves to tire buffing. This intricate stage involves cutting out specific sections of the tire to eliminate unnecessary elements and enhance the flexibility of the tread. Computerized machines, skillfully operated by mechanics, navigate this delicate dance with precision. Repairing. Tire retreading doesn't just stop at appearance. It delves into addressing the root causes of damages. Even the tiniest holes find attention, with high-voltage electricity passing through the tire. This not only identifies the holes, but imparts strength back to the tire. Building. Progressing through the stages, materials are carefully added to the tire casing using computerized machines. This step aims to bolster the tire's natural properties. The use of computers is instrumental in ensuring accuracy and efficiency, slowly replacing manual tasks with their precision. Curing. Heat becomes a key player in this act. The tire undergoes a curing process subjected to heat to assess the quality of its rubber and verify its resilience. This step ensures the tire emerges robust and resilient, ready to face the challenges of the road once again. Final inspection. The culmination of the journey involves a comprehensive final inspection. A battery of tests, from visual and tactile inspections to an inflation test, ensures the tire is flawless. Any imperfections detected are promptly rectified. The tire also undergoes a final shearography test to catch even the most minute errors. In essence, tire retreading is a meticulous process, combining advanced technology with skilled craftsmanship. Each step is crucial in extending the life of tires, contributing to safer roads and cost-effective driving. Whether it's the deceptive chill of cold retreading or the intense heat of hot retreading, the objective remains constant: to prolong the journey of those tires, ensuring they roll smoothly for miles on end. Pros of tire retreading. Tire retreading is a versatile process that can be applied to a wide range of vehicles, from the largest trucks to the smallest bicycles. This adaptability makes it a feasible option for various transportation needs. An environmentally conscious advantage of retreaded tires is their eco-friendliness, contributing to a reduction in harmful gas emissions compared to new tires. Not all new tires are environmentally friendly, with some emitting harmful carbon dioxide. Cost savings emerge as a significant benefit, as retreaded tires come at a lower price compared to brand new ones. This financial advantage makes retreading an attractive option for those looking to save money on tire replacements. The customization potential is another plus, as retreading allows for a variety of designs. Whether for personal preference or specific requirements, retreaded tires offer flexibility in design choices. Cons of tire retreading. Improper execution of retreading, especially without professional supervision or inadequate tire inspection, poses safety risks. Poorly retreaded tires can lead to significant problems, jeopardizing driver safety. Retreaded tires are essentially reused, and their reliability can be a concern. A subpar retreading job may result in tramlining, affecting the tire's stability and handling. The emergence of budget tires, which are cheaper than retreaded ones, has intensified competition between the two. Budget tires, being brand new, hold a slight advantage in terms of cost and freshness, should you get your vehicle's tire retreaded. Retreading can be a safe option when performed by professionals, particularly for small commuter cars or agricultural vehicles like tractors. Many transport companies opt for retreading their trucks and buses, although it comes with some risks. For high-performance vehicles, the safety of retreaded tires might be a concern. Over time, the sidewall structure weakens, potentially leading to tire bursts, a risk difficult to detect visually. The correct application of new treads is crucial. If not done properly by a professional, the tread may separate from the tire, posing a safety hazard. Ultimately, the decision to opt for tire retreading over buying budget tires boils down to individual comfort and preference. While tire retreading offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative, users should weigh the potential risks and benefits, especially when considering high-performance vehicles. For lower-speed vehicles like farm tractors, where the risks are minimal, tire retreading can be a practical and sustainable choice. And there you have it, the fascinating saga of tire retreading, a journey into the heart of transforming worn-out treads into a symphony of sustainability and efficiency. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, don't forget to hit subscribe and like to stay tuned for more insightful tales.